This video will go over how to install the Torklift D1102 SuperHitch 20K on a Ram 3500. This hitch will increase the capabilities of your truck with a 2,000-pound tongue weight and 20,000-pound towing capacity when used with weight distribution equipment. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, this hitch is powder-coated and built to last. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave it a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. Starting off on the driver's side, insert a bolt fisher through the hole on the inside of the frame rail and out the opening on the end. Attach a bolt, star washer, and 2x2 center hole plate washer to the fisher. Guide the assembly through the frame and out the hole on the side. Slide a side support strap onto the fisher and over the bolt. Remove the fisher and secure the bolt with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Fish another bolt, star washer, and center plate washer through the hole shown on the bottom of the frame rail. For the hole near the end of the frame rail, slide an offset hole plate washer into the rail and line it up with the hole on the bottom. Feed your bolt fisher through the frame and plate washer, then use it to pull a bolt and star washer through the hole. Next, unbolt the spare tire heat shield and bend it out of the way. Repeat the previous steps on the passenger side. Lift your SuperHitch side plates into position and secure each of the bolts with a plate washer, lock washer, and nut. Leave all the hardware loose for now. Place a bolt and washer through the side support strap and side plate, then secure it with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Now lift your SuperHitch cross tube into place between the two side plates and insert a bolt through each side to hold everything in place. Secure this bolt with a lock washer and nut. The next step was done off camera as the factory hitch was badly bent and needed to be reshaped. Align the two receivers and insert a bolt, a 2-inch flat washer, and 2 smaller flat washers through each side, securing them with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. This hitch was installed in conjunction with a set of Torklift truck camper tie-downs. Slide the tie-down receivers into the ends of the cross tube and secure each hole with a bolt, lock washer, and nut. If you don't have tie-downs, simply install with just the bolt, lock washer, and nut. Slide a bolt and plate washer through the hole above the cross tube and secure it with a plate washer, lock washer, and nut. Torque the hardware in the following order: side plates to cross tube, followed by the side plates to frame. Then the side support strap bolts. Last, the side frame bolts. Next, trim the heat shield to fit the new hardware. Reinstall the two bolts holding it in place. Finally, reinstall your spare tire. Your SuperHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.